Welcome to Chip or Hit. And if Michael can't hit that ball onto that mat, then I get to hit him as hard as I can with this thumbtack belt.
This is rebound edition. Go grapefruit. That's cheating, James!
Welcome to another edition of Chip or Hit.
Rebound edition.
That's right, everybody. In today's game of Chip or Hit, we have to use the backboard to try and rebound onto the mat. We get 3 shots each per round. Closest ball to the hole wins, and there will be a punishment for the loser.
And look, rebound is optional. If you just chip it and you got enough loft to just land it, well done.
But there's a huge wall here, so it's going to be very difficult with these rusted clubs to land a little flop shot on there, isn't it?
This is a Nike slingshot. And by the way, I saw some comments last time. People get very confused. Oh, yours is in the water, or blah, blah, blah. It's closest to the hole.
Yeah, this is Chip or Hit. This isn't like whatever that game is. This is just closest to the hole. This is Chip or Hit. And if you've been watching Chip or Hit, you should know the fucking rules by now. And you should also know that now, if we don't land a ball onto the mat, there is extra pain.
Which we have here. This is called the
Hand of Doom.
This thing may not look bad, but it's probably up there with one of the most painful feelings you can feel.
It's like a really heavy plastic. I don't even know what it's used for, but even that hurts. So if you can't land your ball on the mat, the other gets to slog your wife with this.
Meaning hand or arm, because that's what you play with.
Yeah, bro.
Get it?
Yeah. By the way, the punishments for the loser gets worse and worse as you go. So for round 1 punishment, round 2 punishment's worse than round 1, and round 3 punishment, hell, that's worse than round 2 punishment.
Yeah, that's what worse and worse means.
Scissors, paper, rock.
You will go first.
Yes, he's fallen for my trap. Now watch me demolish this.
What ball color do you want to be? You can choose.
I will be black.
Okay.
Ah, black. White wrapped in black.
Okay.
So I'll take all of my 3 black shots first. I'm gonna hit this
I'm gonna get this thing ready.
How come?
I just have a feeling. You don't know how to get loft. That wall reminds you of your home because of Berlin Wall. But mate, let me tell you, it's just as bad. Play your shot,
All right.
freak. You hold the club so strange.
Is that right? Is that fucking right?
You just
Why don't you try coaching me some more, hey? Yeah, how about you shut your fucking mouth?
Do we go shot for shot or 3-3?
3-3, what are you talking about? It's
Okay.
Chip or Hit.
Yes!
Wait!
Fuck. Came back to you.
Okay, Michael now gets to hit me with this fucking thing, man. Just remember, if you miss, I get to do this to you too. Oh my God, I can't even watch.
3, 2, 1.
Oh my God! Oh, it's like a fight for your life.
I just don't want to miss. I don't mind if I lose,
my
I just
God.
don't want to miss.
Felt like I was just battling then to save my own life then. I nearly gave up. Holy shit. This is going to be a rough day.
Oh, all right.
I'll still get another shot.
Yeah, well, enjoy.
Here we go. I don't even care that I'm not close. I just want to get on there. Eh?
That's all that matters right now.
All right. This is the same color as your ball. Is that a coincidence? I don't fucking think so, bitch.
Shooter! Oh, I just pulled my back. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Big slap, big
Go
slap,
grapefruit!
big slap. Oh my God, man. What the fuck? How the fuck did you do that? That's a fucking hole in one, you fucking c.
Look, it is slightly just touching the 10, so technically it is. Come get a close-up of it, Scott. Look, let's really honour this.
And you do, the other thing is you don't have to do your other 2 shots now and risk getting hit with that fucking hand. That's unbelievable, you fucking liar. Such a liar.
What did I lie
I
about?
don't know, you just have in the past a lot.
Yeah, that's my thing. I lie. Okay, so far I'm perfection. 1 shot.
Hey, what's the overall score on a Chip or Hit?
We don't really know. If you guys can help us out, go through the Chip or Hits and see who has won. You may be 1 up. Now I will take this out. This is a plastic belt, much worse than a regular belt because plastic, for some reason, we found out hurts way more.
And we've got see-through belts. You'll see why in the round 2 and round 3 punishments. But it's going to be so fucking crazy and hectic. I'm so happy.
Man.
Oh, shit.
It's a misfire. Hopefully I don't hit your neck or something, you know? Wait, is this on fire? God. Punishment 1 for losing the first round. The clear plastic belt, full pelt. 3, 2, 1. Oh no, I can't lose.
Oh my God, dude. Oh my God, that's painful. It almost hurts more without like on it.
Dude, like, I've never seen you mark like that off a belt. Man, I'm actually terrified now.
All right, round 2, that was really bad. It's Michael's turn to start because he won the last round. 1-0.
All right, channel.
This will be waiting if you make one small mistake.
Go grapefruit! The rebound don't work! The rebound doesn't work! I'm scared, James. I'm scared. I'm scared.
3,
Yeah.
2,
Oh my God.
1.
Fuck off! Oh my God, dude.
He's in a
Please,
fight for survival right now, man.
Shit. It's still happening.
It'll come up. Look, you can see the little fingers on it. See the little fingers on it, and then you're like, oh. Stop!
Kevin, the balloon's near the mat.
It's really rude.
Oh, plasma. Liquid comes out of these.
White comes out. It's strange.
All right. Go grapefruit! Technically, James.
Yeah, on the mat.
Oh man, that is terrifying. I thought there might have been a little death gully down there. Go grapefruit! Channel, you are golf. You are golf. Landed on the hole, must have bounced out. That's technically on the mat, James. That's technically, yeah.
On the mat.
Man.
Well,
All right, so I'm about, what, 20, 30 centimeters away. That's winnable.
this is such a nerve-wracking game.
Dude, like I feel anxiety.
Who else comes to work and feels such stress?
I reckon, man, you got to give it to school teachers. They have to deal with those
That's
bloody
so
kids.
true. Fucking shout out school teachers out there. You're doing a fucking tough job. I only need one. Yes.
Let me check. Let me check.
Go, Marty. Yay. I'm gonna f you with that belt now, man. Oh, you bruise more than I do, and I'm stronger than you are.
Oh, dude, this is sweat situation. Hey, for me.
All right, since Michael's only lost 1 round, he also gets the clear belt, and then once you've lost 2 rounds, we step it up again.
Pain, oh, here I see. Oh, dude, you are very intimidating.
3,
Oh, dude.
2, and a 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Here we go. A 3 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1, 2, 3 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 3, 2, 1, 2, 3 and 1 and 1.
I can't do that. It's too much in my mind.
3, 2, 1.
I understand. I understand. I fucking stand. Fuck! No! No! Oh my God,
I
dude.
don't even know if it hit
Marty,
his flush then.
Marty, it's so bad. Marty, that's the worst belt we can do. We're not doing that anymore. We're not doing that anymore. We're not doing it anymore. Ah! It still hurts. Hold me. Hold me.
Damn it.
Stinks, Kevin. Don't breathe in.
Hold me. Fucking burn me. Hey, cut me.
Must have gone like that when I hit you on the side.
That
That wasn't a slap at all.
was honestly the worst pain I've felt in a long time.
Yeah.
Can you do a death roar? Do a death roar. This is fun. Hey, we're having a good time playing some
I'm not
golf.
having a good time.
Oh, yeah.
It's not fun at all. There's nothing fun about this. The only moments of joy is when you lose.
Oh man, you hold the club. It almost thought about it, didn't it? 3, 2, 1. Oh, I just
Oh my
nipped.
God. Yeah, you f***ed that bad, man. It's still like a 7. Oh my God.
I
Yes!
just hit the fingers. Oh, all right, I will not miss I can't.
Holy shit. I don't like that.
You close the club face
Yeah,
strangely.
yeah,
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 it's
yeah.
like, I don't know, you like sort of twist your wrist.
It's 1-1.
Okay, sorry. I shouldn't
So-
have said that.
Practice swing.
You are so lucky.
I honestly don't even give a f*** about getting close to it. Really, I just want to avoid that f***ing hand. Little f***ing Asian.
Well, it does actually have Asian symbols on it. See? So it's not racist.
Just because it's yellow doesn't mean that I am racist. Now let me hit this black. Like, where are you even meant to put your foot in that?
Yeah, you don't.
Yeah, shut up! Shut up!
You're meant to have it shoulder length. Oh gosh, I just.
You're coaching, you're standing there like a... Do you have any idea how dumb you look right now? Coach? Holy shit. I'm hitting your back if you miss.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna have to channel something here.
What are you going to have to channel?
Shooter McGavin, mate.
Oh, I see.
Shooter's the man. So is Liam Gallagher, and so is Bruce Willis before his accident. 3,
2, 1. No! No way.
That needs a measure. That needs a measure.
I think I'm close.
Marty's.
Do you want to measure?
Nah, I
Let's
agree.
not waste our time. Don't f*** this up or I'm gonna f*** you up, bro. Somebody's closer.
Dude, this is so scary.
Oh my God. Oh my God. And I get to flog this dog with Asian stick and then we're gonna go over there and fuck him with a belt. Here we go, fucker.
Oh, fuck off.
3, 2,
Oh my god.
1.
Ah. No, 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 no!
He's holding it weird.
Fuck it. Oh, dude. My arm's different. Oh my gosh. Help.
There are nerves in the arm, eh?
still
Alright, let's get the belt ready.
Ah, no!
Now you gotta get hit with this belt. It's got little fireworks on it that'll burn him when it hits. Yeah, whatever. Look, we've dimmed the lights slightly because we want you guys to see the explosions of these little pop rocks on his body as I sling the belt through him and burn him at the same time. 2-1 to me, by the way. And after all, he's like coaching and talking about my swing and stuff. Isn't that funny? It's so funny how that happens, eh? Like being all arrogant, like trying to teach me and shit. Anyway, here we go. All right.
Oh,
3,
nah. I don't know.
followed by 2, 1.
I can't do this. I can't do this. I can't do this. Ah! Fuck this, man. No, no. Ah! Hey, it's so hard to process.
For me.
Oh, Madoma.
Where'd it get you?
A new cut. What's with you and the cutting? I don't cut you.
I don't need to.
I hit flat pack.
Yeah, I don't mean to, man. I don't know what's going on. It's scary though. Was that as bad as the first one?
Yeah, it gets worse, man. Okay.
That was worse?
I think maybe somehow.
Because I feel like the fireworks, believe it or not, cushion it a little bit.
Oh look, you've given me bruise here too. Look, it's just a whole day is just like, what the hell's that?
Oh my God.
What has happened here? Have you just given me gangrene? Is that what's caused? Is that?
I think
is it
your
James.
tissue's dying.
Something's
under there.
going on.
You've got dead muscle tissue there.
James, something's wrong with my arm.
That's rot.
I'm worried about this.
I think that's rot. All right, look. It's been a very stressful and painful day so far. We've been working on something that we use now to help alleviate some of that while we're filming and just in life. So we've come up with some products that we think you guys will enjoy. If you're curious about this, it's mostly for stress relief, pain relief, sleep assistance, stuff like that, then join the Dr. Bud's wait list. The link will be at the very top of the description and also in the top comment of this video. So join the wait list and see what we're all about. But yeah, let's get this down and get back to horrific pain.
Carve a break, boys.
Bulla. All right, now we're a bit more relaxed.
Yeah, I feel giggly, yeah.
It's time for round 4, 2, 1. I must start. Let's do this.
Slightly bent now. Yeah, you're gonna have to compensate.
Hey.
You shouldn't hit iPads. What if you crack James's screen?
Yeah, well, look, I warned him. I said it's a possibility because I'm a sniper.
It's a handgun, mate.
Yeah.
Ah, man, I can't believe I might lose.
Might. There ain't no way you're coming back from that. I'm on the mat. I'm on the fucking mat.
Just look at this. Hanging on by a thread.
Yeah, well, look, it bounced way higher up, but it fucking rolled and it shouldn't have. It fucking shouldn't have.
I'm really scared.
3 on the fucking board. 3 on the fucking board. Mwah, mwah. All the pressure is on you, and I'll be waiting in the West Wing with this. How's this possible?
Shoot up.
That belt has thumbtacks on it.
Go grapefruit. Go
As soon
grapefruit.
as they dig in, they'll rip chunks
3,
of flesh
2,
out.
1. I'm
Indeed.
feeling it. I'm feeling it.
It seems we have a battle on our hands.
Shoot.
Thumbtacks, thumbtacks,
Shoot.
thumbtacks. Oh, well, looky, huh? Oh my God, dude. Imagine if you didn't even get on the board. I get to fuck you with this and then fuck you with that belt.
Go.
Do you understand me?
Fruit.
Oh my God! Oh my God, dude, no way! Again, we have dimmed the lights for your spectacle list.
We're even right now.
Yeah, man, I can't believe this. I thought for sure that was over, eh? And man, am I eating my words now, aren't I?
I'm just gonna give you a straight 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
My God! Oh my God!
And they all popped. At least I didn't hit your weird fucking defect or your last wound. See, look what you cross over on mine. I don't cross over on you.
Oh my God, I'm so glad that's over. Man, honestly, I think the belt on its own is worse somehow.
Maybe the fireworks lessen the impact. The spark's scary because fire's scary, and I know all about that for some reason. But then, like, if you think about it, it also acts as a cushion to protect you from the actual plastic.
Yeah, so fire acts as a cushion.
Yeah.
That's why I put it on your neck.
Look, magic. I've still got it. 3, 2, 1, go. Great.
Dude, this is the last round. You gotta take your time a little bit. You can't just rush yourself. Man, you just fucking f***ed that. I'm gonna fuck you for that, man.
I have swelling. Oh,
Three,
dude. I'm scared. I'm so scared. I'm so scared. Okay, can't do it. Ah! Please stop.
Michael!
That's enough, Michael!
Why is it white?
Oh my
I
God.
was already white, now I'm pure white.
Dude, what the f***, man? That's racist what you're doing there.
Wait, it's purple. It's coming purple.
You got money, but you still look homeless. All right, second shot.
Go, grapefruit, channel.
Please don't do anything weird. Okay, thank you.
Man, that was not confident.
Maybe we should just quit this stuff and start an OnlyFans. I f*** you one week, you f*** me the next.
Yeah.
$50 a month, like, f***, bro. What, we'd need like 10 people.
Yeah, look, I'm gonna ignore you. I need confidence. Believe. You are the sport, golf itself.
Oh, that's fucking ridiculous. That was such a shot. And if you'd like to see us start an OnlyFans, let us know in the comments.
And if you actually like stuff similar to OnlyFans, you'd love our website. But we have over 400 videos.
It's like 420 or 30 or some shit now by the time you see this.
And it's
so many.
Far too.
437 right now. So when you see this, probably like close to 450. We post weekly. They're wild, aren't they?
Yeah, there's stuff that we can't, like it's shameful, some of it. Like I feel shame.
I feel a lot of shame too, Michael.
But that's cool to feel.
There's a 21-day free trial too. The link will be in the description. We've got a bit of a new layout, so you can kind of see some of the videos that we've got on there already before you pay. But
Yeah, see the titles, thumbnails, very pretty, very pretty.
But anyway,
Good luck, mate.
thank you.
Oh, you are lucky. Man,
That's
thread.
pure skill,
You
right?
love buying thread. You like buying thread.
I can't believe you're winning right now.
Michael's winning.
Yes! Yes!
If that fucking stuck first hit, I'd be in the driver's seat, bro. Oh my God, I can't believe it's come down to this final shot.
Yeah, well, this is where dreams are made of. Hillary
Oh
Duff.
man, I'm genuinely so nervous, eh? Whew! This is where champions rise and scum crust.
Dude, you can't just fucking hit people.
Fuck, Kevin!
3, 2, 1. Don't you try and be fucking brave right now.
It wasn't a direct hit.
How is that not? It sounded it.
Yeah, you're probably only hit with that part of the hand.
I thought if you used more or less of the lip part, then it'd make more graph on the actual less part. Shut up. Line up. Okay, finally I got up.
Oh man, I am so scared. I'm full of fear right now.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, you got me so high, dude. Something's weird. Something's weird.
I was scared of your German
Oh,
defect
there's
mold.
something weird in me.
It's under your breast. It's under your breast. Look, that's good. Out of all 3, what was the worst?
The first one, so far.
Oh, wow. So you put armor
What the
or...
f is going on?
Maybe this happened the other day when I got all wounds on me and you were untouched. I don't think you know how to bleed. I think it's like a German fault.
Maybe
Well,
I don't have any left. Don't have any of it left in me.
Anyway,
I have been cutting myself and it's just my skin opens up and nothing happens.
yeah, well, maybe you should stop that.
No.